Hey guys, Farmer Nick here. Thanks for tuning into this video. Today we're going to be using our sourdough starter that we learned last week, and we're going to be using our discarded portions of that sourdough starter to make sourdough pancakes. A lot of people wonder, like, why are we wasting all of this flour and water and active yeast? And the truth is that a lot of experts and bakers recommend waiting several weeks to use your sourdough starter to bake loaves of bread. And so in the meantime, you can use your discarded dough to actually make pancakes and a lot of other treats. So please enjoy your pancakes in moderation, and I can't wait to show you how to do some sourdough pancakes. So all you need for your sourdough pancakes is, of course, your active sourdough starter. And after about 7 or 8 days, you should have something that is probably viable for bread, but maybe best used for something like pancakes. And so if it smells fresh and doughy, then it's a really good time to use it for any snack that you could think of. The other things we need for our sourdough pancakes are just 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of honey. We have about 1.5 cups of milk here, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 egg, and then a mixing bowl with a whisk, spatula, butter, and a griddle. And that's all you need to make your sourdough pancakes. Okay, I'm going to start out by mixing the dry ingredients in here. Our 2 cups of flour, followed by our 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Making sure to get as much in there as possible. We'll mix those things together. Next, we're going to add the wet ingredients. About a cup of sourdough starter, which is about half a pint. Followed by our milk. Our vegetable oil. And 1 egg. Okay. Now you can stir it all together. So after we've mixed all of our ingredients together into our batter, we're going to heat some butter on a skillet, and using a 1/4 cup measurement, you can take a heaping amount if you like. We can make balls on the griddle, and you may want to flatten it out just slightly. Know that it's going to be kind of sticky, and you're going to be cooking this for about 2 minutes on this side before flipping and cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side. When you're done with your pancakes, feel free to garnish them with some maple syrup or some Greek yogurt or some honey. Me personally, I'm going to put some hot jalapeno pepper jelly on mine. But this is how you make sourdough pancakes. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please tune in for our next video.